Is this thing working? And where am I supposed to look at the camera? I suppose over here, and then I'm looking at you. Or I'm looking at me. That's weird. Guys, I'm not good at these, so bear with me. This is gonna be fun though. Hi, I'm Francesca, for those of you who don't know me, and I'm actually the founder of Tress Editions. And today I really want to talk to you about something that I get so many questions, my colleagues get so many questions about. I want to talk to you about how to use the ultimate oil for hair if you have finer hair. So here is our little baby right here. From behind me. This is one I made earlier. Okay, so, God, I'm not funny. First of all, I'm going to show you how, very simply, I use this just as a daily treatment. A dropper of oil in my palm, I rub it through my fingers, and I just literally run it through the ends. So here you can see that that really hasn't made my hair greasy whatsoever. It just looks really nice and shiny. But now I want to get into the nitty-gritty. I usually put it up to about here. And now I'm gonna do the same in my middle parting, and one more parting, the same as the other side, here and here. And then I'm gonna massage it in. And I'm gonna do this typically around 8 hours before I know that I'm gonna wash my hair. You will see growth, you will see new growth, and you will see an improvement in hair texture. So I hope this has been helpful. Reach out with any questions, and remember, the ultimate oil is your best hair friend.